Hi, it's Ian for this new REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and I'll show you how to add the remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the empty space on our home screen, and then we'll see here widgets icon. Just here you will see all the available applications with widgets you can add. For example, let's use one from these available widgets. So let's use the calendar schedule. Just to add the widget to your home screen, you should just click on it, and now it's automatically added to your home screen. To move this widget here on this home screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you wanna resize the widget, you should just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from your home screen, just hold it and tap the remove icon, then confirm your action by tap to remove widget. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.